Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Parking can be a bit tricky, especially if you are new to driving in New Zealand. So in order to park, first see which kind of parking zone you are inside. In New Zealand, parking zones are clearly marked with signs. You will see things like P30, which means you can park for 30 minutes, P120, which allows for 2 hours of parking. If there is nothing written after P, then it means unlimited parking. You might also encounter areas where parking is prohibited, marked with a red no stopping sign. Make sure you don't park in these zones or your car would be towed. So in many areas you'll need to pay for parking. Look for parking meters like these or pay and display machines where you can pay with coins, cards or even your mobile phone. Always keep your ticket on dashboard as proof. Parking fines in New Zealand can be steep, especially if you overstay your time or park in restricted areas. Always set a reminder on your phone to avoid penalties. On the machine, you can choose the hours that you want to do parking. So it says $4 per hour and then you can pay by the machine. Whichever receipt you got, you can put it on the dashboard of your car. Sometimes you won't get a receipt, no problem, because they'll be able to see that your car is parked here. Lastly, always lock your car when you leave it and never leave valuables visible on the seats. Thank you. See you in the next video.